We're going to get started with Final Cut Pro. First thing you want to do is you want to find Final Cut Pro. Mine is already down here on my dock. You might need to go to your Launchpad and find yours on your Launchpad. So you'll see it here on your Launchpad if you already don't have it in your dock. But let's open it up. Okay, so when you open your desktop, this is what you see here. With Final Cut Pro, when you're working on a project, it's similar to iMovie because it's simply called a project. And this is where on your timeline in here you'll see and you'll get to edit everything you're doing. But over here under libraries, all of these different tabs here are for events. An event is where you will store all of your film footage, your audio footage, your images, screenshots, anything that you've done. So for us to get started today, let's go up here to File, click on File, and we're going to create a new event. The event is going to stay in the library. So let's create an event right now. Let's say you're working on your Halloween project. So we're going to type one, Halloween demo. And I'm going to keep it in my regular untitled library for now. Eventually you'll have a lot of films and we'll put them in different libraries. All right, you'll see here this just is empty. Okay, now when I'm ready to work, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to want to load in all of my different video. That'll be the next video we're going to do. But today, right now, we're just going to create and I can scoot this over here if I want to see what this says. Come on, see if I can scoot this over here. It's not letting me do it right now. There we go. Scoot this over. See if this will this let me? There we go. Now I can see the Halloween demo here. I usually keep these smaller because I know what the titles are. And so what I try to do is I want to have as much room as I can to see my media. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the project we're going to work on as well. And I like to use the same titles just so I can keep everything straight. So I'm going to create a new, this time I'm going to create a project. New project, and I'm going to call it Halloween video, and that's going to be in my Halloween thing here. Okay, so it's very simple. You create events to put all your information in your library. The project is all of the film and stuff you're going to edit, but everything is stored in an event. So you store your information, all of your media from your film to your sound, images, anything, it gets stored in the event. And then when you're ready to work with it, you bring it down here to your project and this will become your timeline you'll work with. Okay, so that should get you started. Next we'll move on to video 2 and we'll show you how to upload everything.